What's up, guys? It's your boy Aiden. Welcome back to another brand new video, another day banger. So today we're gonna review 3 snacks. So first we got Yo Crunch Twix flavor, and then we got Rice Krispie Treats chocolate, and we got Jello orange. We're gonna review all this today. So make sure to subscribe and like. So let's start with the yogurt Twix. So we got it says vanilla low fat yogurt, and it says it has Twix with it. So you put the Twix on top of the yogurt and you eat it. So here's the if you guys want to read it, and it says with other natural flavors. So let's open it up. So it comes with 2 compartments. Let's open up the Twix part first. Okay, open it up. Okay, here's the Twix. Have a bite. Let's open up the yogurt. I'm excited. Okay, gotta have a little lick, you know. Alright, so all we have to do is put this inside of the yogurt. There you go. And see, now you mix it up with the spoon, and then you enjoy. So, yeah. So let's mix it up real good. You know, to mix it up, you know. So, and then we'll eat it. I'll probably eat some and then the rest off camera. So let's try one bite. I can taste both of them combined. Pretty good. Now we're gonna eat the second thing. I'll eat this later. Next, we're gonna eat the Rice Krispie Treat chocolate. And it says so much to love about, and it's made by Kellogg's. And here's the back if you want to read it. And it's toasted rice cereal candy. So let's open it up. So here it is. It's brown. It's brown. It's brown here, and it has rice candy. So let's take a bite. It's just regular chocolate, you know. Not bad though. Pretty good. So I'm gonna eat this off camera. That was pretty good. Now we're gonna move on to the last thing, which is Jello sugar-free snacks. Yeah, it says not labeled for individual sale, and nothing on it. So let's open it. Okay, here it is. It doesn't come off because it's jelly. So where's the spoon? It's the yogurt. Okay, so this is actually pure jelly. So when I smack it, it doesn't do anything. So okay, have some. Let's eat it. This is good. This is the best one out of all of them, I think. It's like, it has a nice orange color. It looks like lava. This is lava. I'm gonna eat this one out of all of them. I'll save this for later. So we got the garbage right here. And I think that's gonna be the end of the video. In a second. So that's gonna be the end of the video. like, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Peace out.